The MAF sensor. On this car it's easy enough, some of them are a little more awkward, but this one's simple enough. It's right on the top, just 2 screws and the wiring. So all we have to do is pull the wiring off, undo the 2 screws, and it just pulls out. There we go, that's it. So we'll go and have a look at this. Right, there it is, taking it out. Very dirty, as you can see. Now that bit is actually a temperature sensor, that bit in there, you can see it, and the actual other sensors are right down in there. I don't know if you can see them, they're right in there. Now I'm sure this is going to cause me a few comments, but to clean this, what I'm going to use is the same stuff as I use to clean all the intake cleaner. Now a lot of people say, no, don't use that, because it leaves a residue. Well, I've never had a problem using this stuff before, so I'm going to use it again. So all I'm going to do is get a cloth, basically spray it all, spray the temperature sensor, spray right down in there, just keep spraying it, both sides. And just basically just wash it out. Wipe on the outside, don't try and poke anything down in there or rub that, just wipe the outside, have a look. It's looking a lot cleaner already, so we'll just carry on with that. Trying different angles, just making sure we get all the crap off it really. And just basically just wash it out. Wipe on the outside, don't try and poke anything down in there or rub that, just wipe the outside, have a look. It's looking a lot cleaner already, so we'll just carry on with that. Trying different angles, just making sure we get all the crap off it really. Right, that's the MAF sensor in as well. So let's see if it starts now. Yeah, starts okay. Seems to be taking a long while to settle back down, but she's running okay. So what I'm going to do now is take it for a drive round for probably about 50 mile, something like that. I'm going to reset the fuel litres per minute, and we'll take it for a drive round, see how it feels and see what it's registering on the fuel consumption. Okay, I've only done about 2 or 3 miles, and just, I wish I'd got my camera on because it came up with 109 litres per 100 kilometres is its first reading. Went down to 30, now it's on 21.1. So it's just working itself out now, all the changes we've done, all the new readings it's getting. It's just trying to make sense of it at the minute. So we'll just carry on driving around for a bit and see what happens. Well, we've done about 15-20 miles maybe. It's ticking over nicely, temperature's lovely, and we're down to, at the minute, 12.8 litres per 100 miles.